Hi everyone, welcome to term 2 for Future School. I hope you all enjoyed a wonderful holiday, a break at home, and maybe some of you went away, and welcome back to week 1 of term 2. A few changes in Future School. Thank you very much for completing your surveys, principals and teachers as well, but very much the groups of you who sat down and went through those survey pages. That's really important for me. So I've made some changes. We have 2 units of work now that are linked together and involve science experiments and some construction challenges, where you're going to report as a group on your findings. You will notice that the project page for each week now is only 1 page on your school page. So you need to go to the collaborative section. Don't go to your individual page, because I won't add the unit there. You're going to have, for example, a Cascade page and a Caversham page. And you'll see that on the collaborative page, that is where you as a group will work out who's going to put your responses. And I would love to see photographs and video and drawings and other pictures that you can load onto the page. So all of you are working on that 1 page for your school page. And we'll see that, of course, you can check others and you'll be able to see the work that they're putting on. So the first week's activity will result in a science experiment and a bit of history research and thinking. And the second one is a quite exciting catapult challenge and some mathematics and angles, and some very careful experimentation outside, and we'll see how that goes. But it's also going to require you to do some interviews, either by email or with some local people in your town, wherever you are. But a bit more about that next week. So for our activities this week, I need you to see if you can somehow link these 4 images. Number 1 is a very large cargo ship. Number 2 is a statue of somebody called Samuel. He looks like he might be from another era. He's dressed, there's sort of clues there. Number 3 is a shoe. It is a very special shoe, and in particular in England, it is given a very particular name. And the last one is a symbols. I wonder where you think you might have seen that before. Can you join these 4 photographs together? They are joined by 1 word. 1 word, 1 person, 1 word. All right, that is part 1 of this week's work. And this is part 2. I don't need anything written down for this. I would just like to be able to ask you tomorrow if you can give me some answers to this. And you can ask teachers, you can ask each other, and you can ask at home tonight. But I would love us to be able to answer these. And you might even be able to research them yourself quickly. This very dark photograph is of a period of time known as the Industrial Revolution. Think about those 2 words, industrial meaning machinery and factories, revolution meaning great change. Can you tell me, by researching and asking somebody, what the Industrial Revolution was, when it took place, and where did it take place? Might surprise you. Next, I wonder if you can tell me, what is insurance for? Why do we have insurance? What happens when you take out insurance? Pretty straightforward. Bit more complicated, this next one. What is water density, and can we manage it? Sorry, can we measure it? What is water density, and can we measure it? If you were to have a swimming pool filled with icy cold water and a swimming pool filled with icy cold milk, would you float differently? Think about it. And that probably relates to density. And what is a hydrometer? What is a hydrometer? Relates directly to the previous question. So I don't need you, I want you to look them up. I want you to be able to tell me tomorrow. And I'm really intrigued if you can link those 4 pictures together, because that then sets us up really well for a cracking science experiment that you'll do together over the next week. So I'll see you on Thursday. Great. I hope you all enjoyed your holidays, and I look forward to starting Future School again. And thanks again for your surveys and feedback. And I look forward to lots of hands-on projects and working as school groups now rather than individuals for this term. Thanks, guys. See you Thursday.